O Shop. Transform the way you do business with world's leading brands. Create an environment and opportunities to nurture interest and passions. Customize your products and nurture your brand. Get customized product designs according to your preferences with O Shop. Empower your business and increase your brand's image with a niche quality of customized products that are sure to leave a mark on the minds of the users every time they view it. Our primary goal at O Shop is to bring you customized products at affordable prices, which are helpful and provide excellent feedback from the customers. We believe in maintaining the perfect satisfaction rate among our customers, which helps nurture brand visibility in the global market trends. Our services are aimed at helping both small and medium businesses to develop customized products in a convenient way. Our plethora of product designs and services are built with the latest technology to execute the innovations that require the best technological solutions. Get in touch with us and add a touch of persona that organically attracts customers with O Shop. This is Robert Tantullo, your fellow legacy leader, proud Onpassive founder. For a complete list of facts and questions on our product, head over to www.onpassive.com. Thank you for watching and make it a great day.